You know that moment when you want to say something in English, but your mind freezes. You know the words. You've practiced them before. But suddenly, you start thinking, what if I say it wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if they don't understand? And so, you stay quiet. You smile. But inside, you feel small, like your English will never be good enough. It's not because you don't know English. It's because you're afraid of making mistakes, and that fear is what's really holding you back. You see, this fear didn't just appear one day. It started a long time ago. When we were in school, we were taught that mistakes are bad. You write something wrong, red marks everywhere. You say something wrong. People laugh or correct you. And slowly, your brain learns one message. Making mistakes means I failed. But here's the truth. Nobody learns to speak perfectly from the start. Not even native speakers. They also make grammar mistakes. They forget words, they pause, they correct themselves. But they keep speaking because they're not afraid to sound imperfect. So how do you overcome this fear? How do you stop worrying about being perfect and start speaking with confidence? It begins with a change in how you think. First, stop seeing mistakes as failure. Start seeing them as evidence of effort. Every mistake you make means you tried, and trying is always better than staying silent. Think about it. You didn't learn your first language by avoiding mistakes. You learned it by using it, by saying things wrong, getting corrected, and saying them again until they felt right. That's exactly how English works too. Second, focus on communication, not perfection. Your goal isn't to speak like a textbook. Your goal is to be understood. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes all the time, but they don't stop speaking because of them. When you make a mistake and someone still understands you, you've already succeeded. Third, practice in a safe space. Find people who don't judge you, friends, teachers, online partners, anyone who helps you feel comfortable using English. And if you don't have anyone yet, talk to yourself. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, your plans, your feelings. It may sound silly, but it trains your brain to think in English without fear or pressure. Fourth, celebrate progress, not perfection. Maybe today you said one new word out loud. Maybe you had a short conversation without switching to your native language. That's progress. That's bravery. Small steps build confidence. Confidence builds fluency. So don't wait until you feel ready, because readiness comes after you speak, not before. So the next time your mind freezes, take a deep breath and speak anyway. Your English doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. Because every word you speak brings you one step closer to the confident speaker you're becoming. Thanks for watching. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own story in the comments. And keep learning with the next video. It's waiting for you in the playlist.